Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we're delving into the fascinating and sometimes ominous world of ionizing radiation. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of this potent force that shapes our universe while posing both incredible power and potential hazards. Picture particles and waves carrying enough energy to strip electrons from atoms, transforming matter and leaving a trail of change in their wake. This is ionizing radiation, a cosmic ballet of charged particles that includes alpha, beta, and gamma radiation. The power of ionizing radiation comes from its ability to alter the very structure of atoms, forging new molecules and creating unique signatures that scientists can use to probe the distant past or diagnose medical conditions. But with great power comes great responsibility. Ionizing radiation can be a double-edged sword, capable of causing DNA damage that leads to cellular mutations and potential health risks. Understanding its properties is paramount to safeguarding our health and environment. In the realm of nuclear energy and medical treatments, ionizing radiation plays an indispensable role, generating electricity, treating diseases, and even detecting hidden dangers. As we conclude our exploration of ionizing radiation, let's embrace the beauty and complexity of this force. It's a reminder that nature's most profound phenomena often come with dual faces, forces of creation and potential challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more captivating science episodes. Until next time, join us in our quest to unveil the secrets of the universe, 1 minute at a time.